Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Guys, today we're here again with OFB Lowkey and Bradz HB Freestyle on Link Up TV. Big up Link Up TV. Me follow up on the gram. Big up Link Up TV, guys. Follow my Instagram. Link is in the description below. Jamaica_verse_gamer. So you know what the thing got. So we're gonna jump in another one and we now waste no time. And we're gonna pause every 10 seconds. You have some little unscrupulous wet rat people in the comment section. I tell me about it. It is a 9 because me a pause every 10 seconds. Post the wall on my channel. Me do what me want to do over your bumble wall. Me do what me want to do over here. It is different. It is different from all the other reaction channel them. So it's either you're with it or you're not with it. I'm not forcing it by you. So if you don't like it, better just keep moving, dog. Don't tell me no fuckery. But me not understand English. Suck your mother again, man. Alright. Now that is over, let's jump straight to another bumble clot one. Because I can't take no negative people right now. Let's go! Ready? Do it.
Shit. 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃�𝐄𝐄𝐓, HB Freestyles. Now we got the OFB boys in the building. Lowkey, Bradz with a back-to-back. I don't let my talking do the justification on the music. We let the music do that. So enough for me. Let's get into it.
Yeah, all that. Lowkey, OFB, nowhere. What's that? Nowhere, no. Eh? What I'm saying? Let me say something about nowhere. Nowhere. Let's go. So basically, I'm gonna just break this down for the English people then when I understand the Jamaican thing properly. I'm gonna try and break it down as much as we OFB say as possible for you guys. So let's go. OFB, if you watch this as well, big up your blood clot self. Big up Chip, where share the thing. Big up Lady Leisha, where share the last reaction as well. Big up on yourself, man. You see me? Artists, them really appreciate when you share the thing. Really appreciate it. Respect and manners, sir. Alright, let's go.
We said all of them are friars. Boss with them head with the 15 shot at them windscreen, knowing I him for no ratty tire.
You hear that? All of them are friars. Friars, in a Jamaica, friars mean nothing. Like friars, you're a small fry. You're not relevant. You're irrelevant. You're irrelevant. That is what you are. Friars. Basically, that is what it is. Him say, my boss what them head with the 15, him not shoot it in on a tire. So, right in your car, through the windscreen, or through the window, you're not going on a tire. Me not miss.
Think we retire. We no make talk, me kill them dog. Which one of them man ready for back? Best run when they hold them a mark.
We not take talk. When I want for talking. My killies them, my dogs them, me thugs them, me knockies them. Ready for roll. You see me? Pussy, you think I'm retire? Because you're not hearing no tune from me from where you think me retire? Pussy man still there on the ground. Man still there put in the work. When you're in your bed, I piss it and I sleep. Suck your mother. Let's go again with you.
Marching carting ain't no Starling shades or fire in my apartment sparring. Ding don't skip, make your old block nervous. Smile when I carve off your face like Curtis.
Yo, the whole OFB man, them a rapper. Let's go.
Shades or fire in my apartment sparring. Ding don't skip, make your old block nervous. Smile when I carve off your face like Curtis.
Basically, man tell you say, yo, no chat, no smile. When them roll up on your dog, you know, they pan the wall, you talk, you know, I go carve off your face like a curtain. Yo, the whole of the man, them talented. And that me like with that organization. Because it's not a crew. It's not a gang. It's an organization. It's well put together. By everybody have them one part. Big up the whole of OFB, man, them dog. All of them. From anyone go, Lowkey, go, Abra to right back down to the wall of the man them dog. Big up on yourself dog.
See Jad and the Raiders swerve and bass up burn them. Dirty cars can't slip with lotion. Feet up, kick back like that potion.
Kick back.
Hear the bounty killer in the sample in the background. Yellow. Cross, hungry, the blood clot general is in it. How I'm to you. Let's go again.
Kick back. When the whole day road, best sit back. Dispatch, roll it back on man. Dispatch. When we see them, we attack with them wristwatch.
Hear that? It's a kickback. Holy Pacan, the OFB man, them dispatch, them let off, them bus shot pound when a ramp. You see me? When we see you, we have to say, hey boy, give me anything where in your hand, where they put your hand, where in your pocket are our one. Anything where you have in your yard are your one, keep that. Robbery. Let's go. We're not depend on what talking with you. Pussy, give me what you have now. We need it. We don't need it. We have to take it. Suck your man. Let's go.
Full of tough chat, and we bust back. Fire shot and send them up, love cut. Must mad, wow, ooh, them must mad.
This I'm gonna go over every reaction, man, unless you're Jamaican. Let's go again. Listen to it.
Full of tough chat, and we bust back. Fire shot and send them up, love cut.
Fire shot and send them at Dovecat. Dovecat is a famous cemetery in a Jamaica. Dovecat. And this is where everybody bury where live at Kingston. Dovecat. You see me? Dovecat. Yeah. Because you can't bury people in a certain place because it is restricted. So Dovecat is a cemetery. So he must say, yo, you go fire shot and send them a Dovecat, send them a cemetery. Big up OFB. Yo, me there ya dog. Me there ya dog. Me there ya feet dog. Me there ya feet. Blood clot to them. Let's go.
Mad, wow, ooh, them must mad. Gunshot and left them in shit.
War with who? Them pussy are mad. War with who? Me? Gunshot. I left them in a shit. But brother, bust a shot to your blood clot belly, see out. To your shit belly, make it fly, see. That the man I tell you, no, brother. I'm ramping up. War with who? You idiot? Yes.
Shit like shoulda just kick back. Flexing in Viz must want be a wee pack. Inhale, exhale, yo, here sniffing. Think is the Cali and the heads are chipping. Skipping.
I'm not getting everything what he's saying. I'm not getting everything what Brad is saying. But there.
On the rhythm of them years in prison, I was missing. I'm lying in beats with precision. With the same flick, that tech where your women saying flick on my wrist when I twist and fish up a victim.
Me not hear what him say. Me not gonna tell a lie. Me not gonna go around the thing. Me not hear what him say. But in there, bad. And I'm sure you guys know what he's talking about anyway. So I'm just breaking down the G part, low-key part, because some things when I say it, I go over a lot of you guys' head, like I said. So that's what I'm here for.
So the things set straight on the road, them fi know we no play them game. We fly them, we no care about fame. We style and pattern and them some lame.
I saw we things set a road, brother. We have a name a road. I saw we things set a road. We don't care about your fame. We don't care about our fame. We still fly your bat. We still flick your duppy. We still make your duppy. Make you go down a Dovecat. Make you go down a cemetery. We don't care, brother. Not because we famous. You think so we lame? We not lame, brother. We still are still the same old way before we get famous. Gunshot to your blood clot face, boy. Let's go.
Fly up atoms and bust down chains. Stick no button, we hit them straight. No.
Let's go again. Come and never hear him say this a while ago.
Fly up atoms and bust down chains. Stick no button, we hit them straight. No.
Stick no button, we hit them straight.
We style and pattern and them some lame. We fly up atoms and bust down chains. Stick no button, we hit them straight. No.
Me not get the part there. Me not telling a lie. Me not get the part there.
By there, I feed on them there. Come step on the road if you feel say you're brave.
Come try step to it if you feel say you're brave. Like, try. Just please, I beg you, just try. Because I'm sat here bored. Me not nothing to do. Just try and step. The first man make a step. Landmine boom off your foot left. 2 pieces of toe in your crep. Go home to your father, go cry like Bridget. We are no soldier. We are, hey boy, let's go.
We are light up them place like merger. Running at them ends with the purger.
Alright. We are light up them place like Berger. Berger is a farmer. It is a company that make paint. Paint where them use paint house. Berger paint. We light up them place like Berger. Berger is a paint company that's in Jamaica, that's based in Jamaica. I'm not sure if them are totally fully Jamaican, but me know say Berger paint is a famous like with Jamaican painters and stuff like that. So light up your house like Berger. So put your house in up. We are gonna put your house in our bright color with sparks from the shot yard from the gun. And let's go.
On the road if you feel say you're brave. We are light up them place like merger. Running at them ends with the purger. Shall to find them that a murder.
Yeah, running with the purger. You see the purger are the
we have enough mind with the burger. We have enough gyal broke them back. You know see so they hold them, I beat them bad. Couple toe there in the Louis bag. Anywhere we go for them a body bag.
Couple thousand in the Louis bag. Anyway, we go for them boy, your body bag. Just try and know that. Anyway, we not send no man gonna hospital. We not send no man go get no stitches. A straight body bag like Mag. You see it? Total.
Put out new work and it's getting good feedback. When I roll and talk, no feedback. But be cookie, my lungs ain't rookie touch road like Tookie. I blame all the weed that told little.
Him say I put out him work and them get good feedback, which is true. OFB right now, they're on top of them game. And them just have more and more to go, like big.
Bro, when you squeeze that better, aim up, pull blast through his kneecaps. And my guy said, bring 2 packs, man, I need that. Mix that Cali with chip in Riz, then I lean back.
Yeah, yo, he's different with it, man. He's different with it. in favor of my cousin too. Bradz favor of my cousin.
Lean back, blow O's in the coupe with my seat back. See the stars in the roof where I dream bad. B, she a freak, feed her nut and she eat that.
Baby's a freak. Phone I go off. Sorry about that. Sister message me.
Cheat that. She reverse them hips and arch it. On no fours in a 4x4, got a pum pum farting. I'm oh my lord.
On all fours and a 4x4. I'm such a pervert. I would have to get that bar there. I'm such a pervert and I'm proud. I am a proud pervert. You know what I mean? She did on all fours and the 4x4, not the 4x4. And the pum pum I make nice. They say a good. When I stab a guy from the back, I must say a good pussy speak for itself. Good pussy speaks for itself. Let's go. How about that outside?
About time me and Kern link back, about time them free up things out the whack. Red guy them y'all need fill up. Big 12 gears with the front piece trap.
About time and my dad them link back, you see me? And them here red, them bad mind, like them don't want to see this happen, but it happen, it here, you there.
We smoke low, come like speaker. Who no can hold the smoke and a shisha. Make them run like cheetah. On the road we are scoring no FIFA.
Make them run like cheetah. On the road we are score, and a FIFA, and a PlayStation 5 we are play. You see me? No dog. And a FIFA 21 this we are play, brother. We are do it on the road. We are score on the road.
Rum got rumps on his top shelf in it. Twirl and curl up my thoughts with spinach. Bill it, sip it, head back missing. Think back, just make me pause for a minute. Again.
Yo. Big up Link Up TV if you having them two on, you know. Big up Link Up.
It's me mad down the mash while I'm feeling max tints on the thing, now you can't see through it. Can vouch off lean, but right to the wind, so the chassis one for it.
Yo, big them up, man. Big them up. Nice little freestyle.
𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, HB Freestyle. Shout out to the whole of the OFB boys. Like I always say, don't tell me to been up here. Tell your favourite rappers to come up here with bars.
Just like that. OFB Lowkey and Bradz. HB Freestyle Season 2. Big up on yourself, daddy. Big up on yourself. So guys, that was OFB. OFB Lowkey and Bradz. Big up on yourself, dogs. Season 2. Available now on Spotify and iTunes. So go and go stream them on them thing. You see me? And put some streaming on the thing. You see what I say? So big up on yourself. Big up Link Up TV for the freestyle as well. Big up everybody we are playing them part. You see me? Big up the whole OFB. You see me? So until next time, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.